Hello and welcome to this tutorial. By the end of this video, you will know how to publish and upgrade listing through PropSpace using the credit system. Once you log in and go to listing section, you'll be able to see your credit balance in the top right corner. Don't forget to hit refresh every time you would like to see the latest update balance. If you would like to add new properties, simply click on New and then fill up all the necessary information and then click on Publish. Here you'll be presented with a message that will show you the number of credits needed to publish your property. If you're ready to publish it, you can hit confirm, otherwise you can just save it as a draft and publish it later. Once your property is published, you can upgrade it to featured or premium if you wish to get better visibility in our site. So you need to go to Portals and then click on Upgrade. And here you will be presented with a new message that will show you two types of listings. Featured, either for 15 days or 1 month. Premium, either for 15 days or 1 month. So you simply need to choose which property you would like to publish it for and then click on Apply. To ensure that your properties are always online, we have selected Auto Renew by default, and you can update the status anytime you want. Also in the same section, you will be able to see the listing expiry date and the quality score. For admins who need to approve listings created by agents, they just need to go to Approvals, select the properties they need to list online, and then they will be presented with the same message that will show how much credit needed to publish the listings at one time. Now you are ready to start listing your properties. If you would like to know more, please don't hesitate to reach out to your account manager. Happy listing!